AI is no longer something to look forward to. It's happening right now, and it's changing everything. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 8 incredibly powerful AI tools you need to try in 2025. The best part? Every single one of them has a free version, and they're perfect for content creators, students, marketers, or anyone who wants to save time and level up. From generating stunning visuals and editing videos with a few clicks to turning your own voice into an AI asset, these tools are seriously next level. Let's get started. Starting with our first tool on the list, ChatGPT 4o. If you haven't tried ChatGPT 4o yet, you're seriously missing out. This is not just another chatbot. It's your personal writer, coder, brainstorm buddy, and research assistant all in one. Whether you're crafting YouTube scripts, writing emails, generating product descriptions, or even debugging code, ChatGPT 4o handles it with ease. What makes this version special is its multimodal ability. That means it can understand text, images, files, even voice inputs, and respond intelligently. And the best part? OpenAI has made GPT-4o available on the free plan, so you don't need to pay to unlock its full potential. Let's say you need 10 viral video ideas in the fitness niche, done in seconds, or you need help summarizing a PDF file? Yup, it can do that too. Honestly, this isn't just an AI tool. It's your 24/7 productivity partner in 2025. Next up is Leonardo.AI, the image generation tool that's giving DALL-E and Midjourney some serious competition. If you're a designer, marketer, or YouTube thumbnail creator, this is one tool you have to try in 2025. Leonardo lets you generate insanely detailed and stylistic images just by typing in a prompt. But what sets it apart is the style control. You're not just getting random outputs. You can choose from curated style presets, tweak the strength, adjust the sharpness, and even upscale your images right inside the platform. Need a 3D cartoon version of a lion for your next thumbnail? Or maybe a hyper-realistic product mock-up for an ad campaign? Leonardo can do both, and more, with just a few words. It's like having a design team on standby. The platform gives you daily free tokens, so you can generate images without paying. Perfect for testing and experimenting. This tool is a must-have in every digital creator's toolbox. Coming in at number 3, Perplexity AI. This is one of the smartest tools you can use in 2025. It's a real-time AI search engine that doesn't just give you answers. It gives you reliable, sourced answers with clickable citations. You can ask it anything from what are the latest marketing trends for 2025 to explain quantum computing like I'm 5, and it responds instantly, clearly, and with sources linked right below. That's a game changer for students, researchers, and marketers who need accurate, up-to-date information fast. Unlike a regular chatbot, Perplexity keeps the conversation going. You can ask follow-up questions without repeating context, and it keeps track of the thread like a smart assistant that actually listens. And yes, it's completely free to use, with no login required for basic features. The fourth tool on our list is Notion.AI. If you're the kind of person who has a million ideas, endless tasks, and zero time to organize it all, Notion.AI might just become your new best friend. Notion has always been a powerful workspace for notes, tasks, databases, and content planning. But with Notion.AI, it becomes a supercharged productivity hub. You can now auto-generate meeting summaries, create to-do lists from messy notes, brainstorm ideas, and even rewrite or shorten content, all with one click. Say you've got a wall of messy meeting notes. Just highlight the text and ask Notion.AI to summarize. Need blog post outlines? Done. Want to organize your weekly plan without thinking too hard? It's already writing it for you. The best part? You get access to Notion.AI even on the free plan, though usage is limited. For most people, that's more than enough to boost daily workflow. Now for the fifth tool is Pika Labs. If you've ever dreamed of turning simple text into eye-catching animations without learning After Effects or Blender, Pika Labs is your dream tool. This AI powerhouse lets you generate short animated videos just by typing a prompt. You can create cinematic shots, zooms, pans, and dynamic scenes using nothing but your imagination and a few words. It's perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, educational videos, or even storytelling experiments. Imagine typing a futuristic city at night, raining with flying cars, and watching Pika Labs turn that into a stunning moving scene in seconds. The output is clean, smooth, and surprisingly cinematic for an AI-generated video. And yes, there's a free version, although you'll need to join a beta waitlist or get early access through Discord. Once you're in, the possibilities are incredible, even with the free tier. Let's move on to our sixth tool, SheetAI. If you use Google Sheets regularly, whether for work, side projects, or even YouTube tracking, SheetAI will blow your mind. It brings the power of GPT directly into your spreadsheets, making data work faster, smarter, and way less painful. It's a total game changer for data analysts, content creators, startup teams, and productivity nerds who want to automate the boring stuff and focus on what matters. The free version gives you a limited number of prompts per month, but it's more than enough to supercharge your workflow. Coming in at number 7, 11 Labs. If you want your content to sound amazing, whether it's for YouTube, podcasts, audiobooks, or even short films, 11 Labs is the gold standard for AI voice generation. This tool creates hyper-realistic voiceovers that sound just like a human, with natural pacing, emotional tone, and flawless pronunciation. You can choose from a wide range of voices, or even better, clone your own voice to use across your content. With just a few minutes of audio, 11 Labs can replicate your voice with accuracy. Perfect if you want to scale your content without always recording or even license your voice as a digital asset. Best for YouTubers, audiobook narrators, educators, or anyone telling stories online. The free version gives you 10,000 characters per month, which is plenty for testing scripts or creating short-form content. Upgrades are available if you want to go longer or unlock advanced cloning features. And finally, number 8th tool is Runway ML. If video editing feels overwhelming or time-consuming, Runway ML is the shortcut you didn't know you needed. It's an AI-powered video creation and editing platform designed to make complex tasks incredibly simple. No experience required. With just a few clicks, you can do things that used to take hours, like removing backgrounds from videos, adding realistic motion to still images, expanding image borders, and even generating entire video scenes from text prompts. Whether you're a YouTuber creating shorts, a marketer building product ads, or a content creator needing visuals fast, Runway has tools that will instantly upgrade your workflow. The free version includes access to many of its features and a few free exports per month, which is perfect for small projects or testing the platform. And that wraps up the list. 8 powerful free AI tools that can take your productivity and creativity to the next level in 2025. And if this video helped you discover even one tool that blew your mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still thinks AI is just for tech geeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.